Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooedmomma. Today I'm opening up the Jeffreestar mystery box, and if you are new here, then you don't know that don't ask what that was. You don't know that I love makeup. I guess that's kind of where I was going. Today I'm very blue. Yes, my makeup's a little bit messed up. I just filmed, well, that was like 5 hours ago. Just filmed the Lunar Beauty, the Manny Way mystery box. If you want to see that, I will link it right above for you guys so you can go check that out. But I ended up going and taking a nap with my son for like a good hour and a half, which was nice, and I haven't touched my makeup up since. So it's not looking that bad, but we're just going to deal with what it looks like right now. Anyway, I'm excited. Hunter's obviously awake from his nap. Matt is home and he's playing with him downstairs. That way I can get this video up. I know you guys do like seeing Hunter in my videos, but he will no longer be in my videos due to the whole kids not being able to be on the whole channel, things like that. I'll be talking about that in another video, but anyway, that's why I did not open this up during the day with him in it. That's just the big reason. Anyway, as you saw by the title, I got the largest Jeffreestar mystery box I could have gotten. This was $100. Obviously, they had two other options, a small, medium, and then this is the large. So, I'm so excited to hop on in and check out what's in here. I've gotten the Jeffreestar mystery box, I think 1 or 2 times previously. But I always get the small one. So this year I'm like, I'll treat myself to the large one. So if you want to see what's in this box, then just keep watching. Alright, let's open this puppy up. It is a lot lighter than I expected it. Not that I expected it to be like super, super heavy. I'm not sure what's coming in this because I haven't watched any unboxing videos. I know there's supposed to be one apparel item in here, I'm pretty sure, which I'm very excited about because I don't own any Jeffreestar apparel. I like destroyed this box. It was like in there super weird. You gonna open up? I think I opened it the wrong way. There we go. Yeah, opened it the wrong way. Ooh, okay. First thing I see in here is this huge thing, which I chose size large because I like extra big things. And oh my gosh, this is extra large. Well, no, this is large. Okay. I've never seen him have anything like this. I don't know. Let me move this box over here. Oops, just dropped something. So, this is a nice black hoodie and a very pretty purple, which don't get me wrong. I mean, I know I love the purple. Obviously, my background is kind of very similar purple like that, so I like that. But the front of it says Jeffreestar Cosmetics, and then Premium Cosmetics Company 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. I don't know, like, I would have rather had just like one of these stars right on the top, but it's a cute, I'm trying to back up so you guys can see. Make sure I'm looking at it right. Yeah, and then the back part right here says iconic on it. It's cute. I love that it's black. I love black. I like that it's extra large. I love wearing big hoodies around the house. This looks like it's going to fit amazing. I love the purple on it. It makes me want to do my hair purple again, which I'm totally thinking about. But in my opinion, if I was to be picky, which I am not a picky person, I would have liked this to not really say what it says on the front. Maybe more of, I would have liked to just have like a little star right here. But it's a mystery box. You're going to get random shit in here. And yeah, but I like the size on it. You guys are definitely going to see upcoming videos of me wearing this all the time. Just like today, I'm wearing a freaking blue tie-dye hoodie. So I like that. All right. Next up is something that I dropped. So we're going to go in here. This packaging is so cute. And it's got the little Jeffreestar logo. I'm assuming that this is a palette, an eyeshadow palette. Yes. Yes. Okay. This is the Thirsty palette. I didn't really expect, like, I expected a palette, but I guess I didn't expect this palette to be in there. Okay, this palette is great, guys. Don't get me wrong. I had this palette, and then I let my best friend, Brittany, snag it for me for quite some time because my girl Trisha got me the Thirsty palette, or she gave it to me. Not quite sure, but yeah, so I don't know. I wasn't too impressed with the glitter shadows in here, but the mattes are amazing, and my bestie Brittany totally uses this palette. She uses the heck out of this palette. So yeah, I think this is something that I'll probably end up selling to make a few like bucks back, but it's just not a palette. It's probably the one palette that he has that I'm just like not too excited about. I was very excited about it in the beginning, then once I had it, I feel like I was like not really reaching for it, but it's awesome. There's a palette. Next up is this right here. Ooh, a peppermint frost. I don't think I've seen this before. Oh my gosh. How freaking cute. I feel like I smell like something is peppermint, but it's probably not. It's probably just me imagining it. Oh my god. Ugly sweater, igloo gold, and chocolate ice. Oh my gosh. Now, is this one of the exclusive items? I'm very curious because I don't think I've seen him have this up before unless I'm like, there's definitely peppermint in here because I'm smelling peppermint. Yep. Okay. Let's swatch these. I have some stuff on my arm right here from earlier, so I'll swatch right here. Oh my gosh. Ugly sweater, igloo gold, and chocolate ice. Holy crap. I did not expect anything different. I knew that these would be amazing. Look how stunning those are. I already have highlight on, so I'm not going to pop any on. Screw it. We're totally going to, I'm going to put some of this highlight on, even though you see that I have some on already. But let's pop the lightest shade on. Like, I love how it smells like peppermint. Guys, the highlight, I'm going to go in with igloo gold on this side. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I know I'm looking weird in the camera, but I'm trying to like see myself. Look how freaking gorgeous that is. Love it. Definitely smells like peppermint, but those are gorgeous. I'm going to be using the heck out of this palette, guys. Like, this packaging, first off, super freaking cute. And then those are just adorable. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, next up is in this green thing. Actually, I don't think there's anything in here. I think it was just it's just a wrapping. Next up, I see these. These are the stickers that I'm pretty sure everybody got. And these stickers are absolutely adorable. I love stickers like this because I like to add them to the front of my laptop. There's a Blend Bitch, Beauty Killer, Hi, how are ya? Can't relate. Blue Blooded. That's cute. I like that. Those are adorable. Alright. Next up, I see this right here. Yes! This is a reusable straw, and I've been wanting one of these, like I just said. Be iconic and classy with this Jeffreestar approved metal straw. So cute, and I think it comes with, yes, it comes with a little brush cleaner inside of it. So, yeah, this is a metal straw. Totally going to use this all the dang time. Love it. I love reusable straws. Okay, next up is the Supreme Frost highlighting powder in Caramel Kiss. Now I know this is probably going to be way too dark for me. We shall see. In the, where's my little thing that I open this with? In the Lunar Beauty box that I got a highlighter as well that was too dark, but I can use it as like a bronzer. I've had one of his Skin Frost before. Yeah. This, to me, looks pretty similar. So the one that I got from, I mean, they're definitely different. But I'm definitely keeping this Lunar Beauty one because it's one that I've never used. Jeffreestar I've used before, and I just, don't see myself reaching for this one. Caramel Kiss, very pretty. Again, can make some money back, sell those, or I'll stick it in a giveaway. And then, last but not least, we have two lipsticks. So this one is, yes, I've been wanting this one. Oh my gosh, and it would match me today too. This is in Huntington Beach. Look at that. Let's put some on. I'm looking in my phone to put this on, so wow. Look how much that matches my hair. I like this color. Very pretty color. A lot of people get really annoyed that they get such crazy colors in the Jeffreestar mystery boxes, but you have to know that it's Jeffreestar and it's a mystery box. Clout. Okay, this is one that I actually have. This is a very pretty purple. I'm not going to open it because it's one that I either will do on a giveaway or I will sell. So, all right, that is the end of this box. I'm going to say, I think I was a little bit more excited for the Lunar Beauty box than the Jeffreestar one. I don't know, when I was getting the Jeffreestar one, I was like kind of hesitant because I'm just like, do I want this? Because I do have a handful of his products already that I'm like, maybe I'll get something that I don't have. So, I mean, I got the hoodie, I got the liquid lipstick, and then I got the other liquid lipstick. I got a Skin Frost, the eyeshadow palette, stickers, and then the straw, and then the highlighter palette for $100. So that's like really good. That's really good. I freaking love this palette. Like I'm telling you guys, peppermint frost in it totally. Smells like peppermint. I knew I wasn't losing my mind. And I will for sure wear these highlights. Just so cute. Love this. Love this little palette. And I love this. This will be great to use as a liquid eyeliner as well. And this hoodie, very good quality, very cute, but just 3 products out of it. I wasn't like, just because, you know, I've had the palette and stuff before. So, yeah, not too bad. Will I get it next year? I don't think so. Like I said, just because by then I'll probably have more Jeffreestar stuff, and it's always, there's always a possibility that you can get repeats of stuff that you already have in this box because you have no idea what's in it. Yeah, so, I don't know, what do you guys think? Did you get this box? If you did, and you have a YouTube channel, and you did an unboxing video, let me know down below so I can go check that out for you guys. I hope you stick around, subscribe if you have not already. Be sure you hit that bell notification button so you get uploaded when I upload on upcoming videos. 2020, I'm having some fun videos coming up, and I'm very excited about it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.